anytime you use the oven or stove. Let's make this gooey Rice Krispie filling, shall we? First step, add 6 tablespoons of salted butter to a pot set on medium heat. That reminds me of a volcano I once went up in. Once your butter has melted, add 6 cups of marshmallows to the pot and stir. Stir the whole time because you don't want your marshmallows to burn. Once your marshmallow and butter is melted, you add your cereal to your marshmallow or your marshmallow to your cereal. And once you've mixed your cereal with your marshmallow, you're going to dump it into your prepared pan. Okay, kids, your Uncle Bob is going to leave now with this hot pot.
Bye, Uncle Bob. We'll miss you. It's time to smooth out your squares. Cover them with plastic wrap, as you see what we did here. Set this pan aside for 2 hours.
You look like a butterfly once saw in the meadow one day. Except it had a mustache. It was a lady mustache. What was I saying? Where am I? Oh, yes. So the butterfly had his mustache trimmed just that day, and then he... Oh, dear me. Well, who are you?
Remember you were reading a story.
Oh, right. It was about a big blue whale named Bob.
Thanks for joining us on Let Us Bake.
Oh, wait, let's eat this.